हाय, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बिल्कुल बढ़िया हूँ। और जैसा कि आपको पहले बताया था कि मैं टाइम टू टाइम आपको आकर दुबई का अपडेट देती रहूँगी। और फर्स्ट ऑफ़ ऑल मैं जो शुरुआत करना चाहूँगी वो मैं इस चीज़ से शुरुआत करना चाहूँगी। आप सबके मैसेजेस के लिए बहुत सारा थैंक यू। आप सबके मैसेजेस इट मीन्स अ लॉट फॉर मी। और सारे मैसेजेस का मैंने पूरी कोशिश की है कि मैं सबको रिप्लाई कर सकूं। और इन केस अगर किसी का मैसेज छूट गया है तो प्लीज़ thank you very much for asking our well-being in the Dubai. And so it's been 18 days of war in Dubai. Situations are really stressful here. Iran is continuously attacking Dubai, UAE with ballistic missiles, drones, etc. But Dubai is neutralizing 99.9% of these threats and is successfully keeping us safe, secure in our home. We got alerts before any threat, and once it is neutralized we got a relief message also that you can continue your regular routine. But ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगी कि सिचुएशन स्ट्रेसफुल नहीं है। सिचुएशंस बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल है हमारे लिए, यहाँ के गवर्नमेंट के लिए। I would like to mention that Dubai is losing billions of dollars every day. Not millions, billions of dollars every day. But I know this is all gonna worth it, because for Dubai, all people living here, citizens, residents, all are Emiratis for them, and they are treating everyone the same. They are giving us security, safety, everything. Our routines is not disturbed. Offices have started again, and we have started our offices again, but my events are actually cancelled and they are postponed till 2-3 months. So since I last posted my video, there have been injuries reported, damages also reported, and 2 casualties are also reported. But UAE is intercepting 99.9% of the threats in the air, and all these injuries, casualties and damages are happening falling from the debris only. So I would like to mention this. If you want to know the update for the current situation, do not follow any international media or Indian news channels, because they are unnecessarily exaggerating the points and making us scared here, and as well as our family back in India. आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, हमारी फैमिली के हमारे पास इतने सारे कॉल्स और मैसेजेस आए हैं that when you guys are coming back, are you waiting for things to go worse, etc etc etc. But as usual हम उनको एक ही बात बोलते हैं, stop following all these news channels and stop following any unverified sources or international media which is showing not the right picture, and they are scaring all of us. So last week we went to Dubai Hills Mall and Hindu Temple Dubai, and trust me, it gives me a sense of joy to see those people. People were happy, they were coming out, restaurants were full, malls were full, they were doing shopping, they're enjoying with their families. Generally मुझे crowded places पसंद नहीं हैं, लेकिन that day I was feeling so relaxed and I was enjoying that crowd. इतना क्राउड देख के इतना मज़ा आया कि हम लोग अकेले नहीं हैं. There are other people who are enjoying the same way like we do. And trust me, but no news channel will tell you this. They will not tell you that people in Dubai are gaining confidence. They will not tell you that people are enjoying their lives there despite of war. But they will sell you fear, because fear selling is very easy. It doesn't need any marketing. And that's what they are doing. They are saying, oh my god, a ballistic missile, a boom, a drone, a attack, a terror, a threat. Oh my god, I was so pissed off with all this news channel telling same story every day on repeat mode. But trust me, the things are not this much terrorized here in Dubai. We are enjoying our lives. Not enjoying, I would say, but we are not panicked, and we are not under any threat. We are not under any terror. We know there is government, there are frontline fighters who are saving us, and that's what we are doing. To see those people in the mall, I was so happy, so relieved. Even Divisha also enjoyed that day, because we have gone to any mall outside after a long time, and we really enjoyed that. And same thing, I would told my parents and back to our family also, that do not watch any such news which are not verified. They will just make you scared for us, for you. Stop watching that. Just follow only verified news channels who are telling you the truth, or any sources who are that now we are living in Dubai, and I will tell you 100% truth, because major of my audience is in India, and I want to show them that we are safe here. Every day we are getting so many messages. Thank you very much for all this concern, I would say. And apart from that, just pray that we should get back to normal. This war should end, ceasefire should be announced, so that we can go in back to life before war. इन सब के बीच में एक तीसरे लोग भी हैं जो ये लोग बोलते हैं कि अब दुबई का टूरिज़्म ख़त्म हो जाएगा, यहाँ का रियल स्टेट क्रैश हो जाएगा. इन शॉर्ट, दुबई इज़ फिनिश्ड. बट आई वॉन्ट टू टेल दोज पीपल, गेट योर फैक्ट चेक. Yes, like she told, we are safe. So Dubai economy, UAE economy is one of the most powerful economies they have built, and it is not built around a single industry. This is made of lot of factors, and it's all because Dubai is a commercial hub. Dubai airport is the biggest airport, busiest airport in the world, and Jebel Ali port is the largest port in entire Middle East. And so this is not a centralized economy, it is a decentralized economy. They have invested their funds, their capital around the globe, around the world, very strategically. So in crisis time like this, they can actually take benefit out of it. And I will not say that Dubai economy didn't get a hit. Definitely it got a hit, but this is gonna bounce back much faster than ever. History has proven the people will stay in this tougher situation, are gonna be the most beneficial people once the things will recover. So we all are here like other millions of people. Stay strong, UAE. We all are together in this. Ciao. See you soon. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more of such update videos and more of lifestyle videos as well. Thank you very much. See you soon.